Hello YouTube, this is Vaughn2480. I'm here with a nail stamping tutorial. But first I'm going to show you what I did to my nails. I already did my right hand and I still have to do my left hand. But what I did, I applied gel on my nails this week. And I used my Sensation Gel base and top coat. And I cured it, and I used this LED light I showed you in my last video that I did when I did my gel nails. So I used this, and you can purchase this from Wish. It's very inexpensive, or probably eBay or Amazon. So I put my base coat on, and then I cured it under my lamp. Then I applied my polishes. I used this silver glitter. By Sensation Nails. And I bought this some time ago from Walmart. I'm not sure if Walmart is still selling Sensation Nails or not. Gel polishes. Sensation gel polishes or not. Still. And I used this gelish mini blue color that I purchased from Sally Beauty, and it's called Is It an Illusion? And then I used this this gray polish, and it doesn't have a name on it. I think I received this in one of my Ipsy bags. And it's by Law Beauty Essentials. It says it's 100% vegan and toxic free. And what I did to make this gel, I used Sensation Polish to Gel polish. And I did a video some time ago about this. So I will leave it in the cards up below. But I put like 6 drops of this in this little container. I just put 6 drops. I'm not sure exactly the directions because I misplaced them. But I put 6 drops of this and 6 drops of the Sensation Gel Polish as well. And then I use this little popsicle stick or wooden stick and stirred it up. And then I used the brush from this polish to polish it onto my nails. Glitter is on my middle finger, and my ring and thumb has the gray polish. And then my pointer and pinky finger has the blue polish. Is it an illusion? And when I went into Walmart today, I found this clean nail starter kit, and I know I may be late with this because plenty of people I think on YouTube have said that they found this in their local Walmart, but I'm just not seeing it in the one where I live in Georgia. And normally where I live in Georgia, we're late with a lot of stuff. Anyway, it says it's new. I'm not sure if it is. It says new right there. And in the kit you get 1 stamper, special black and white polish, and 1 scraper, and 1 stamping plate with 12 beautiful patterns. So this is the plate, and it's called Clean Nail Party 1. Y'all let me know how y'all like my lighting now. I finally have a LED ring light, so I hope my lighting is much better for you all. And I use this image right here. And I use the white clean polish that came in the kit, but it also comes with a black polish. And excuse it, I had an accident and I got white polish all over the bottle, but it's okay. And these polishes say there are 5 free stamping polishes by Clean. So I use the the white on my pointer and my pinky. And on my ring, and my thumb, I use this blue polish from Bundle Monster, which is now Maniology, in the color Royal Blue. And I'm using my Bundle Monster Locust Matte. They have small ones as well as large ones. Right now I'm using the large one. I may purchase the smaller one later. I'm just going to get started with my right hand. I'm not going to do everything on camera, but I'm going to put my base coat on, and then I'm going to cure it, and then I will come back because I don't want to bore y'all. Y'all already know how to apply gel polish. So now I'm just curing my base coat. I just want y'all to see how this LED light looks. Okay, everyone, so I put on my base coat already, but I'm gonna go ahead and start applying the gel polish to my nails. And when I'm all done, I'll come back when I'm ready to do the stamping. Okay, everyone, I'm back. I did all my nails on my left hand. And what I did, I put the gel base and top coat already on my middle finger and cured it and wiped the tacky layer off. But my other nails, after I polished them 3 times with the gel polish. You can do 2, but I did 3. And after I cured it the 3rd time, I took my rubbing alcohol and my lint-free wipe, and I just got to take a layer off of them so I can do some stamping. So I'm going to start with this finger, and then I'll do this one for the blue, and then I'll do the rest of them off camera, and I'll come back with the finished results. Okay, everyone, I am finished with my left hand. So I hope you all like it. Please thumbs up this video. Please share my channel with other people. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Divine Diva 633. I'm on Pinterest. So I'll always leave those in the description box. I always leave like my social media sites so you all can follow me down there. I always leave about ipsy, and if I talk about something in the video, I may leave a link below, so please check out my description box. So I thank you all for watching. Take care and have a wonderful, blessed day. Stay tuned for pictures.